Welcome back to the channel. Today we're throwing down in a tiny home battle you won't want to miss. We've got the Allwood Timberline cabin kit from Amazon facing off against the Best Barnes Arlington shed kit from Lowe's. Whether you're planning an off-grid retreat or just want a cozy backyard getaway, this comparison will help you decide which one delivers the most bang for your buck. Let's dive in. First up, let's check out Amazon's Allwood Timberline cabin kit. This beauty offers 354 square feet of living space with 2 bedrooms, a cozy living and dining area, and a charming front porch. It comes in at around $40,200, making it a premium option for tiny home enthusiasts. Now, representing Lowe's, we have the Best Barnes Arlington shed kit. While technically marketed as a shed, this kit can easily be transformed into a livable tiny home. With 288 square feet of space and a 2-story design, it offers flexibility and customization. Priced at $10,615, it's significantly more affordable. Let's talk features. The Allwood Timberline comes fully equipped with 7 windows, a windowed front door and interior partition walls, giving it that true cabin vibe. It's perfect for creating a cozy weekend retreat or even a permanent tiny home. On the other hand, the Best Barnes Arlington offers 2 floors of space, making it ideal for storage or a functional loft-style living area. While it requires more DIY customization, it's a budget-friendly option for creative homeowners. Alright, let's break it down. Here are the pros and cons of each model. Amazon Allwood Timberline cabin pros, spacious layout with 2 bedrooms. Pre-cut kit makes assembly easier. Charming cabin aesthetic with porch. Cons, higher price point. Requires foundation and utilities. Lowe's Best Barnes Arlington shed, pros, affordable and budget-friendly. 2-story design for more space. Customizable interior. Cons, less living space than Amazon's kit. Requires more DIY modifications. So, which tiny home takes the crown? If you're looking for a ready-to-assemble high-end cabin, the Amazon Allwood Timberline is your pick. But if you're on a budget and love DIY projects, the Lowe's Best Barnes Arlington shed offers incredible value and flexibility. Either way, you're getting a cozy, customizable tiny home that you can be proud of. Want to grab one of these tiny homes for yourself? Check out the links in the description to get yours today. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more epic product battles. See you in the next one.